Yo, what's going on, guys? So, in case some of you guys don't know, yesterday, if you're a trader for MYFOREXFUNDs, we got some very unfortunate news. So, what it looks like is that regulations are coming to these prop firms. You know what I'm saying? So, they pause MYFOREXFUNDs accounts. You know what I'm saying? So, whether you just bought a account, you know what I'm saying, whether you just passed phase one, whether you just passed phase two, you know what I'm saying, whether it was just around the corner from a payout. That one gotta be the worst, man. Especially if you was around the corner from getting your a payout or your first payout or whatever, and then this happened, you know what I'm saying? That's very unfortunate. That's why it's also very good to know how to trade on small accounts. You know what I'm saying? It's very good to know how to trade personal accounts. So, you know what I'm saying? There's a lot of rumors going around, the people saying, oh, you know what I'm saying? That's it for prop firms. Prop firms is over. I would say no, that is not true. Prop firms have been out for probably longer than you was probably even born. You know what I'm saying? Prop firms already been out. You know what I'm saying? Think about it. They used to be in person. You know what I'm saying? So I see it like, you know what I'm saying, a lot of wrong information going around, you know what I'm saying? Oh, it's over for prop firms. So we just seen this happen many times. Even when they took MetaTrader 4 off of the Apple Store, you know what I'm saying? They like, oh, you know what I'm saying? They try to stop us from being great, blah, blah, blah. They try to stop people from making money. They took MetaTrader 4 off of the iPhone. Oh, people, you know what I'm saying? They be loud and wrong. Oh, MetaTrader not coming back. MetaTrader not coming back. You know what I'm saying? Or they'd be like, oh, this is why I use an Android. You know what I'm saying? Just spreading wrong, ignorant information. Feel me? So my Forex funds, traders. Yesterday we learned that without prior notice or discussion, a provincial securities regulator in Canada and a commodities regulator in the United States issued orders preventing us from trading securities or accessing funds in our bank account. Until these freeze orders are lifted or modified, our business is effectively and at least temporarily frozen as well. We will be reaching out to the regulators to discuss their concerns, and the first court date to determine whether the freeze order should be lifted or modified is currently scheduled for September 11th in the United States, with another hearing later that same week in Canada. We hope to have this matter resolved as soon as possible and will update this message as events occur. Okay, so this little article that they sent, majority of prop firms obliged to join FINRA under expanded SEC rule. I bet so. What it looks like, you know what I'm saying, is that they're trying to regulate these prop firms, which is really not a bad thing because some of these prop firms are shady, you know what I'm saying? Like they have undercover rules, you know what I'm saying? Some prop firms, they really not paying you out, some very sketchy. That's why I like to stick to the, you know what I'm saying, the well recognized prop firms like FTMO, my Forex funds, Fund and Trader, you know what I'm saying? Those are like the top three. Anything else after that, you will really have to do some deep research, you know what I'm saying, to make sure that the prop firm you're going with You know what I'm saying? They got good reviews and they're reliable. So the move to increase the numbers of broker-dealers firms registering with the FINRA comes as the commission aims to promote fair, orderly, and more efficient markets. The decision is set to contribute to a greater transparency and strengthen oversight in the Treasury market due to the large part to the fact that FINRA requires members to report post-trade activity in these markets. So Gensler further added, I support this adoption because I believe it will modernize the rule to enhance cross-markets and off-exchange oversight for some of the most active participants in the capital market. These amendments bring transparency to off-exchange activity and the level the playing field for firms that provide liquidity on and off exchange. Overall, these reforms promote markets that are fairer, more efficient, and transparent, and also more resilient and stable with lower spreads that will benefit retail investors. So low key, what it looks like, you know what I'm saying, even though it's paused right now, this regulation, it might, you know what I'm saying, actually benefit us in the future. You know what I'm saying? Once these prop firms get all of that situated. However, Gensler highlighted did I read this one already? Yeah, I think I read this one already. So once the final rule is published in the Federal Register, taking effect 60 days from posting, firms will have a year to comply. So everybody, you know what I'm saying, y'all can stop panicking, you know what I'm saying? Everybody say prop firms are done with, you know what I'm saying? Like they just yo, this is what happens, yo. You know what I'm saying? You get some crazy news, people start talking on their ass. You know what I'm saying? Oh, MetaTrader 4 off of the Apple Store. Oh, you know what I'm saying? It's not coming back. It's over for MetaTrader 4. So right here it says that they will have to be getting regulated in order to continue business. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, prop firms been out for a while, you know what I'm saying? It's just nowadays, instead of going in person to the firm, we can do it from our own house, you know what I'm saying? Also, that's why it's good to know how to trade on a small account. So you guys need a strategy, or if you want to learn how to trade for prop firms, you know what I'm saying, or you want to learn how to trade also on a small account, you know what I'm saying? I got my day/swing trading course, lifetime, in the link down below. You know what I'm saying? Or you can shoot me a message on Instagram, ACEZ_FX. I'll send you the link. So that's all I got for this video. Happy trading. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.